Last week, the NBA schedule makers gave us a taste of opening night, Christmas Day, and international play. Later today, the league will finally announce the full NBA schedule. Michelle Beadle in a league that doesn't take a summer break.
The biggest point is the league getting rid of 4 games in 5 nights. That's a big part of the schedule. There are none in 2017-18 season after 23 instances last year. The league has also cut down on back-to-backs.
None of the ABC games for the Golden State Warriors this year are coming in a back-to-back, and that's huge because last year, as you remember, Steve Kerr, he rested Steph Curry, he rested Draymond Green and Klay Thompson, and that came on a back-to-back, and that was his big thing was, hey, if you're going to play my games in a marquee game, make sure that they're going to be well-rested and not going to be traveling, 8 games in 9 different cities in that long road trip. So Steve Kerr, last year, 4 of their 5 ABC games were in back-to-back sets. In this season alone, they have 0 back-to-back sets in their 6 ABC games, and there are 22 marquee games that the NBA protected to make sure those teams are fully rested on Christmas Day, on Martin Luther King Jr. Day, and in the opening week. So big kudos to the NBA for compromising with the league union on that.